In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use VMS Creative Commons Research and Download Tool. Now, once you've extracted your file, you'll see the VMS CCRT setup file. It might be named something different than this, but you'll install it in exactly the same way. Now, the first thing you need to make sure before you do anything else is you need to make sure that you have .NET 4.8 and .NET 3.5 installed and activated on your computer. Now, before you think that's difficult, don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how it's done now, and it's really easy. So the first thing you do is you come to your Start menu and just click it, and without doing anything else, you want to type Windows Features, and then what we're looking for is this, on off. If you don't see that, then type in on or off, and then you'll see this. So we click that then, and once we've clicked it, it'll come up. On this machine I have .NET 4.8 and 3.5 already installed, but it'll come up and that won't be ticked, and this might not even be installed. Now, first of all, if this isn't installed, don't worry. The first thing what you're going to do then is you're going to click cancel. You're going to come onto the client area, and you can do that by going to client-area.biz, and then when you get there, we're going to hit knowledge base. Then we're going to go to software, and we're going to go to video marketing suite, because the Creative Commons tool is actually part of the video marketing suite as well. So we'll click that, and then we're looking how to install .NET on Windows 10, which is here. How do I install .NET on Windows 10? So we click that, and it's, like I said, it's really easy. And then click on that document there, and then it's going to tell you exactly from the Microsoft site itself how to install it, and it's going to give you the installer to install. So what we're going to do is we're going to use that one. So I've already got it installed on this PC, but all you do is click that and then follow the instructions that gives you to install it once it's downloaded. So let's assume that you have got .NET installed now. So you've done it and you've installed it. So we're going to go back to Windows. So we type in Windows Features on or off. We click on that one again, and then what we'll do now is when you come up on this one now, it'll be like that. So what we do, that might not be highlighted, but that doesn't matter. So what we do then is we click on .NET 4.8 because we want that activated. We click on .NET 3.5 because we want that activated, and then we click on OK. What that will do then, because it's already installed on this machine, then it's not going to do it. But what that will do then is it'll then go through and it'll install and set up them files for you, activate them on Windows. So once that's done, maybe a reboot might be good. So reboot your machine once it's installed properly, and then come back to this window where your setup file is. And then what we want to do is we want to go into, the easiest way to do this is go into Documents there, and then we want to go click on this PC, and then we want to go to C drive, program files, and then we'll go down to find the VMS Creative Commons Research Tool. So we click that, and then we want to right click on this. So you right click on that, and we want to make sure, so we go to properties, and then we go to compatibility, and then we click run this program as administrator, and then click apply, click OK, and then we can run it as normal from the start menu. So as you'll see, recently added. So if we go there and click it, it should now load the VMS Creative Commons Research Download Tool. Yes, we want to run it as administrator. Then here you enter your license key and everything. Let me just pause the video and I'll go and get my license key just to give you a full demo. Okay, so I've just entered the license there. Had to blur it out, obviously. Now it will open the VMS Creative Commons Research tool. It'll be downloading any support files that have been updated since the install was created. So if it takes a little while, bear with it. Don't try and run it again. Just bear with it for a few minutes. It'll take a little bit longer the first time you load it, because it's installing all the update files and everything. Oh, there you go. So actually it says here, I missed that box, a new version's out, do you want to update? So we click yes. And then that'll go and it'll update it. And it checks for updates every time that you open it. So if we push a download, an update, you don't have to worry about re-downloading it. You can just open the software, and if there's an update available, it'll show you a box like it just did then, and you're offered the download for the update. As you can see, it's quite quick, but the speed of the update downloading will obviously depend on the speed of your connection. Okay, so it shouldn't take too long now. You can see the icon here. Okay, so once the software's loaded, you put your API key in here. And then please note, if you've only just got your API key, it might take 24 hours to activate. It might take a little longer at the moment due to the circumstances in the world. Usually it's within 24 hours. So if you put your API key in and you get no search results, then it's not active yet. But you can actually check that in developers.console.google.com and see if you've actually got any errors or anything coming up. But once your API key is active, you can put in here, so let's say we want to type cars and then cats, and we want 20 of each. So we type 1 per line. If you just wanted cars, you could just do cars. If you wanted more, you type 1 per line. You set the number of results that you want. I'll just do 20 for now. It is quite quick. And then you click Search Creative Commons Videos. Once you've done that, just read that disclaimer quickly. It's just basically saying if you find out any videos that's not Creative Commons through this software, then please do inform YouTube, because we are using the Creative Commons database in YouTube to search, so there should only be Creative Commons videos. So then, as you can see, there's the videos that we found for this search. You can get to the next set of videos by clicking that, and you can click up and down. And the next ones, there's the cats. Had the cars first, then we've got cats next. So what you can also do is you can click here, showing rows. So this will show how many per page. So you can put this up to 50 if you want. So then you've got a little more, you've got more videos on one page. Now, you've got the video thumbnail, so you can see what's working at the moment. You've got the title, you've also got the description. Now what you do, let's say you wanted to download this video, then all you do is you tick that box and you click download. If you wanted to download more videos, you tick which videos you want to download and then you click download. And then what it will do is this will actually appear in your in the same folder where the app is, but it'll have a folder called downloads. So open your same folder where the app is and in downloads. So at the moment this will be in, let's just download a video. Okay, so I'll just download that video and that video, then click download. If you see this come up, then don't worry, what it's doing is it's just muting the sound in case the video did play. And as you can see, the status there, downloading the videos. So then we can go to, whoops, here, VMS. So just keep going up till we get to this PC. Click on that. I'm going to C, then we're going to go into Program Files, and then we're going to look for VMS, do that. And then in the download folder, as you can see, there is our videos, there's our cat videos there. Now, what we've done is we've renamed them to the video ID. So you can name them whatever you want, But it is as easy as that to download. So I'll just delete them. There you go, and then that's done. So that's where your downloads are located. And it's really as simple as that. If you do get any trouble or you can't figure anything out, as long as it's not API related, because we can't solve YouTube API issues, that's between you and them. The way that APIs work is if one API key works in the software, then all other API keys that work will work too. So that's why we can't support API key. You'd have to go direct to YouTube for that. But if you have any other problems, don't hesitate. Make an account at the client area, so that's client-area.biz, and then you can open a ticket and either me or a member of staff will be only too happy to help. Thank you very much for watching this video.